So here at Curls and Natural Hair, we have products exclusively for curly hair, and then we have stylists, and they only do curly hair. We needed a booking or software platform that we trust. Obeauty answered that question for us. So now my clients can book their appointment from an app wherever they are.
I really do have minimal time when it comes to my beauty regime. I mean, I'm up at 4 a.m. every day. Most days I don't get home till 8 p.m. There's not many hours there to fit in a wash of the hair or a fake tan. My time is precious. I am the type of person I do need to book last minute, and a lot of the time when I do have time and I contact someone, they're booked out.
We had a point of sales, we have a booking calendar, and we had marketing, all for one price. I couldn't say no.
It definitely has saved time for me and less stress because I don't have to worry about getting back to everybody. They can literally just go into the app, book, pay their deposit, and that's it. It's easy.
For me, I can't stop talking about Obeauty. It has changed my life. It has made things streamlined and easy.
Beauty does interest me, but I just don't have the time to, look into it more, find those good places, find those options that maybe are a little bit cheaper. This app could literally be life-changing. I couldn't recommend it more.
I love it.